All right, we're here at Old Galveston Square, and look at this elevator right here. This right here is an old Westinghouse elevator, but unfortunately it is sadly decommissioned. You see, the car is not even at the floor. You see, look at that right there. Look at that. You can almost clearly see the car in there, inside there, in the. You barely see the COP right there. This was installed in 1981. See, look at this. Look at this elevator right here. See, this elevator is out of service. See, it does not work. But we'll get a good view right here on this side. Here's a much better view from this atrium right here. So yeah, sadly this Scenic elevator is turned off, but there's one on this side. Let's ride. It's an older Otis Series 1. Cam's kind of basic. Let's just go up to 3. Red LED lights. Big bump. Looks like the car's been sitting down here for a very long time. Indicator is completely burnt out. Oh my gosh, that fan's obnoxious up here. What the? There's something wrong with the door. What is going on? Okay. Something wrong with this elevator. What is going on? Wow. It's got door disease. It's just your basic Otis elevator. My gosh, there's something wrong with the door. Your fixtures. I'm gonna try to be silent listening to the motor for the second trip. There's your ADA phone. Let's go on to an intermediate floor. Looks like it's not even level with the floor right. Now the 2. Yeah, the indicator is completely burned out. I believe Steven has filmed this one before. There's your Otis sign right there. Very rusty. Look at this. Intermediate call station right there. This is an old place. Alright, I think we're gonna go back down one in there. Door's got a problem on the 3rd floor. Takes about a second to start up. This thing is a little bit quirky. There goes, and that's it.